I'm Kevin Richard, and this is a look at your weather forecast for the Welland area over the next couple of days. Not bad out there this morning, but as we go into the afternoon to tonight, we are going to be seeing a change in the weather, as we are going to be seeing some snow showers coming across the region. 42 for your high today. Winds south to southwest at 5 miles an hour. Now in the past, my graphics has said chance of rain. Now we've changed it to chance of snow. Chance of snow for today is 30%. Moving on to the forecast for the night tonight, we are going to be seeing some snow showers out there, as lows are going to be getting down into the 30s, 30 for your low. Now snow total is expected anywhere from a dusting to about half an inch of snow here in the valleys, but up north in the higher elevations we could see anywhere from 1 to about 3 inches of snow. Winds west at 4 miles an hour, and we do have a 70% chance of snow tonight, so everyone is going to be seeing some snow showers. Take a look at the forecast for the day tomorrow. Snow showers are going to be moving out, as we are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies. 39 for your high, not really too bad of a day out there. Winds northwest at 10 miles an hour, and chance of precipitation is 20%. Take a look now at temperatures here throughout the state of Vermont. We are mainly in the 40s today, except up in the Northeast Kingdom. We're seeing 38 in Newport, 39 in Montpelier, 42 is going to be a high today in Burlington, 43 in Middlebury, 42 again here in Rutland, and down in Bennington, 44 for your high in Springfield. Now as we zoom in now on Rutland County, we are again right around the low 40s, as we are seeing 43 from Fairhaven down to Paulette, 42 Brandon in Rutland, and then 41 in Wallingford. Take a look now at the 5-day forecast. After we get through today, the end of the week, not going to be too bad, but it's going to be a mess as we go into the start of next week. So snow showers for your afternoon today and tonight, clearing out for your day tomorrow, and then Saturday, not too bad, sunny skies, but we are going to be a bit on the chilly side, as we are only going to be in the mid-40s, or mid-30s rather, as 36 is going to be a high under sunny skies for Saturday. Take a look at the end of the weekend into the beginning of next week. We're going to be seeing cloudy skies on Saturday, as 38 is going to be a high. But Sunday night into Monday, this is where we're going to be seeing another storm system coming through, bringing some snow showers, as we'll be seeing snow showers Sunday night, as lows will be getting down into the 30s, 30 for your low. For your day on Monday, we're going to be seeing the mix of rain and snow as we go from the 30s to around the 40-degree mark. We'll see that change over with the mix of rain and snow, going to rain during the day, and then as we go from Monday during the day into the night, we are going to be seeing rain showers going back to snow showers, as lows again will be getting down into the high 20s, as 29 will be your low for Monday. I'll have more information on this snow coming up later in the week, actually tomorrow, on my daily weather updates, and I'll let you know what exactly we are going to see. To see my daily weather updates, go to our website, staffordonline.org, go to the middle of the page and click on weather. I'm Kevin Richard. Have a great day, everyone.